Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be learning about how to make your pink syngonium more pink. So the pink syngonium, like I had elucidated during another video of mine, requires lesser sunlight for it to become really pink. So the more sunlight you expose it to, the more green the leaves will become. So this is because of the presence of chlorophyll, and when exposed to more sunlight the chlorophyll levels increases, and when exposed to lesser sunlight the chlorophyll level decreases. So chlorophyll is that pigment that gives the green color to the leaves. So as you can see, the older leaves here have green color and the newer ones have turned pink. So I have exposed this plant to the east facing direction, and I've placed it in my bathroom where it gets ample humidity and it is just near a window where it gets dapple shade. So it is very simple to get this look, and I generally like syngoniums which are pink in color, and the green ones are a little too overbearing for me, but I like the miniature ones. But syngoniums are one of the best houseplants that I've ever worked with, and the pink syngoniums are a visual treat. So if you also share the same feelings that I do of the pink syngonium, then please keep watching Urbanscape Bangalore and hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you once again.